Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best water heater element is probably one of the most overlooked components in your home, yet it plays a crucial role in providing hot water for your daily needs. From showers to washing dishes, a functioning element is essential. In this video, we'll dive into the world of water heater elements, exploring what makes a good one, and helping you choose the best option for your home. Number 5. Suburban 520900 Water Heater Element Kit. This is a replacement electric water heater element kit. It's designed to replace the old or faulty element in your water heater. This kit ensures your water stays heated efficiently. The element features a screw-in mounting type, making installation straightforward. You can easily replace the old one with this new element. It's a universal fit for various water heater models. The package dimensions are 3.7 cm in length, 27.7 cm in height, and 6.1 cm in width. It's a compact package that is easy to store. The small size makes it convenient for shipping and handling. The package weight is only 0.235 kilograms, making it lightweight and easy to handle. This light weight doesn't compromise its durability. You'll find it easy to manage during installation. This product is manufactured in China. It's made with quality materials to ensure long-lasting performance. It's a reliable choice for your water heating needs. This element is designed with a universal fit. It is compatible with a wide range of water heater models. This ensures that it can be used in various applications. What we like. This water heater element offers a universal fit, making it a convenient choice for various water heater models. The screw-in design ensures easy installation, saving you time and effort. If you're looking for a straightforward replacement solution, this is a great option. What people say. This was a perfect replacement and was just a matter of removal of old and installation of new. It's a bit longer, but otherwise an exact match. This is a Suburban original part, fit the original perfectly. Number 4. Rheem SP10869mm 240V 4500W Stainless Steel Element. This is the Rheem SP10869mm, a premium stainless steel heating element. It's designed for efficient and reliable performance. This element is built to last. The element operates at 240 volts and delivers 4,500 watts of power. This ensures rapid heating and consistent temperatures. It's a powerful component for your heating needs. Made from high-quality stainless steel, this element resists corrosion and ensures longevity. The robust construction guarantees durability. It's a reliable choice for your system. Featuring a 1-inch screw-in design, it's easy to install and secure. The threaded mounting provides a tight seal. This design simplifies the replacement process. With an element diameter of 0.316 inches and a length of 13.44 inches, it's designed for optimal performance. The specifications ensure efficient heat transfer. It's a precisely engineered component. What we like. This element is made of stainless steel, ensuring durability and longevity. With its high wattage, it provides rapid water heating. If you prioritize performance and reliability, this element is an excellent choice for your water heater. What people say. Great replacement for single-loop heater elements. Heats water very effectively and efficiently. Works as should, easy fit and heats well. Heated up within 30 minutes after completing install. I bought 2 for upper and lower. Number 3. A.O. Smith 100, 108283 Heating Element. This is a heating element from A.O. Smith. It is designed for optimal performance and durability. You can rely on it for consistent heating. The element operates at 4500 W, providing efficient heating. This ensures that it can quickly and effectively heat water. It's a powerful component. It is designed to work with a 240V power supply. This voltage is standard for many water heaters. It ensures safe and reliable operation. The element has a length of 11 inches. This size is suitable for various water heater models. It's a perfect fit for many systems. Made of copper, this element offers excellent heat transfer. Copper construction ensures longevity and efficient performance. It's built to last. What we like. This element features copper construction for efficient heat transfer. Delivering 4500 W at 240 V, it ensures quick water heating. If you need a powerful and efficient element, this one is a solid selection. What people say. Exact replacement, fit and worked perfectly. I replaced the original rods with rods from Lowe's, which looked to be no-name Chinese products. They worked, but had poor recovery. Recovery is important in a large household, especially if the person following you is your spouse. The Smith rods had great recovery time, so I'll use these again the next time I change them. They arrived in a sealed bag, see my attached pictures, which stated they were genuine A.O. Smith parts produced in Franklin, Tennessee. Number 2. Camco 4500W 240V screw-in water heater element. This screw-in, low-watt density element is designed for easy replacement. It's suitable for most water heaters with the same wattage and voltage, and it helps to reduce slime buildup. This Camco element delivers 4500 W of power at 240 V. It ensures your water heats up efficiently, providing you with hot water when you need it. The element features a standard 1-inch threaded bushing and a durable rubber gasket. The fold-back style copper tubing is built to last, ensuring reliable performance. It fits most water heater models from various brands manufactured after 1994. Check the specifications to ensure it's compatible with your specific model. This water heater element is UL listed for safety in the US and Canada. It also comes with a limited 1-year warranty, giving you peace of mind. What we like. This element's low-watt density helps reduce slime buildup, making it ideal for hard water areas. It is compatible with a wide range of water heater brands. If you live in an area with hard water and want to extend the life of your water heater, consider this element. What people say. Worked perfect. It was an easy install. They are as advertised, good quality, easy to install and make great hot water. No problems with leaking, seem to be good quality for the money. Number 1. Camco 2000W Water Heater Element, 02203. This is the Camco 2000W 120V screw-in water heater element. It's designed for efficiency and reliability, ensuring your water is heated effectively. This element is a great choice for your water heating needs. The element features a high watt density design. This means it heats water quickly and efficiently. You'll experience faster heating times with this element. It comes with a 1 to 11/2 inch NPSM steel bushing. This construction ensures durability and a secure fit. The steel bushing is built to last. This element is compatible with a wide range of water heater brands and models. It fits most American, A.O. Smith, and many others. Check the list to see if it fits yours. The product comes with a 5-year limited warranty. This provides peace of mind, knowing that the manufacturer stands behind the product. It's also UL listed for US and Canada. What we like. This element features a high watt density design for rapid heating. It comes with a 5-year limited warranty for peace of mind. If you want fast heating and long-term reliability, you should consider it. What people say. Direct replacement, easy install and works great. I'm using this on a home brew system to heat a 7-gallon HLT to 180 degrees. Works just fine on a standard 120-volt 20-amp outlet. Put this in my new still and it worked flawlessly. Got 10 gallons boiling in the middle of winter in an hour and a half. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.